This is an illustration of red blood cells. This is an illustration of more red blood cells. What differences do you notice? These shapes on the surface of the cells are molecules called antigens. Human red blood cells can have two possible antigens. Scientists name them A and B. Each of us has genes in our DNA that code for the production of antigens on our cells. They're the basis for the blood typing system used all over the world. Do you know what your blood type is? Well, there's four possibilities. We can have A antigens, B antigens, A and B antigens, or no antigens at all. If we have no antigens on our red blood cells, what's our blood type? Right, oh! Red blood cells and antigens are only half the equation. Blood is made up of three different kinds of cells: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets, floating around in a liquid called plasma. Plasma is mostly water, with some other molecules floating around in it too, including protein molecules called antibodies, which help give our bodies immunity and protect us from foreign cells, including red blood cells of different blood types. Here's an illustration of blood type A. Here is an illustration of blood type B. Notice the antigens and the antibodies. Do you notice anything special about the antigens in one blood type and the antibodies in another? Now watch as the type B blood moves through the circulatory system. What if we were to give this person with blood type B a transfusion of type A blood? What do you think will happen? Each type of antibody molecule binds to the antigens of the foreign blood type, creating large clumps of red blood cells that can be fatal. This deadly clumping process is called agglutination. So here's a question for you. There are four possible blood types: A, B, AB, and 0. What kinds of antibodies are found in type O blood? Think about it. Right. Type O blood contains antibodies against type A and type B blood. Since there are no antigens native to the O blood cells, the body has a natural immunity or antibodies against both cells with A and B antigens. So here's another question. What antibodies would be found in type AB blood? Why is that? That's right. Type AB blood has no antibodies. Since type AB cells have both A and B antigens, it can't have any antibodies in the plasma at all, or else it would agglutinate itself. Good job, guys. I think you're ready to do some hands-on blood typing.